Hello my friends and welcome back to Stinky Robot Studios. I'm Michael Smell, and on today's video we're going to be continuing the studio tours, this time with the drafting table aka Livestream Setup. Now if you guys are interested in see what a budget setup looks like and how you can get your content out for cheap, that's what I've done here, then join us, check out the video. If you want to just see me create the artwork, then jump into my YouTube channel. I've got lots of videos there on making artwork and that's where you'll find that. But today we're on a build video, or aka a setup video. So guys, let's jump in, let's do this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and nail that bell notification. We do go live here almost every week. We'd love to have you part of the family. With that, let's get started, guys. Let's start the walkthrough by looking at the overhead filming rig that I built. I built it out of plywood with T-tracks on either side, allowing it to be adjusted up and down 18 inches. On the drafting table itself, it's attached by two C-clamps on either side, allowing me to adjust it forward and backwards to get it in the perfect position over the artwork. Now for the gear that hangs off of the rig itself. The main camera that I use to shoot all the artwork with is going to be my Sony A7 II. And I have it running through an Andysign external monitor so that I can get a good look at my artwork, make sure everything's in focus. Moving down to the face cam, you'll notice this is one area where I can save quite a bit of money by recycling my old GoPro Hero3. And rounding out the audio video part of this walkthrough is a blue Yeti that I use to capture the buttery sweet sound of my voice while I'm live streaming. Bringing them all together with the OBS Studio, which is a free live streaming software that I use with my iPad Pro to monitor the live stream and chat with viewers. Admittedly, one of the problems we've had on the live stream has been lighting. My current setup is using the Neewer NL 660s with a Wescott reflective umbrella that casts the light down at a 45-degree angle over top the artwork. On either side of the setup, I have a pair of Neewer ZC-10S lights. A particularly nice thing about these lights is they mount up using GoPro attachments, which will allow you to manipulate and articulate the lights any way you want to. And just so you can see, there's the other one right there on the other side of the setup. And that is it as far as all the technical equipment goes for the live streams. Now to briefly go over the art setup, I'm not going to go too in depth with all the materials and supplies I use. See that every artist is different, but we'll do a quick little wrap up of the rest of the live stream setup. So on the right, I built a bin so you can put paper and a scrap board and stuff like that in, followed up by the ink setup. So now I can just reach whatever color I need, it's right there. Storage shelves where I can stack all my paper and excess supplies, and places to put my brushes and paper towels and etc. There's also some hidden bonus features of this setup, which include a pencil sharpener, an area to hang the blow dryer, and a pull-out rack that stores my colored pencils, markers, stencils, and other materials that I may need at some point. Well my friends, that's going to end it for this video. I hope you guys found it inspirational. If you have any suggestions or want to tell me about your personal live stream setup, leave me a comment down below. And as always, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.